Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your P30 Pro supports 2 active SIMs. Make sure both nanoSIMs are active with PINs disabled. Once ready, power the phone off and use the eject tool to open the tray. Place SIM1 and SIM2 in their labeled slots, then close the tray and power on. After the phone boots, navigate to Settings, then Wireless and Networks, then SIM cards to begin configuration. This step prepares the device so you can control which line handles calls, texts, and mobile data. Once in the SIM cards menu, you'll see both lines. Tap each to assign a display name and color so you can tell them apart quickly. Next, set which SIM handles mobile data, which handles calls, and which handles SMS. You can pick one default or let the phone ask you per call, depending on your needs. Make sure VoLTE is enabled for high-quality calls, and enter carrier APN details if mobile data doesn't connect. These settings control how the two SIMs behave together. You finish by validating both lines, place a call and send a text from each SIM, then confirm mobile data works on the line you set as active. If you need to change quickly, open Quick Settings or select the desired SIM from the phone app before dialing. This lets you override defaults without digging into menus. If something fails, try a restart, swap the SIMs between slots, verify APN entries, and ensure the phone's firmware is current. If problems persist, contact your carrier for provisioning help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.